If you're a political junkie, then you need to hear this. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga won't be automatically succeeding President Emerson Mnangagwa in 2028. Yes, you heard that right. According to ZANU-PF spokesperson Chris Mutsvangwa, the ruling party will choose its next leader through a democratic process. This decision shakes up the political landscape, and means the race for leadership in Zimbabwe is wide open. Mutsvangwa emphasized that no one is guaranteed the top spot, keeping the democratic spirit alive within the party. So what's next for Chiwenga? He'll have to campaign like anyone else. And for Mnangagwa? Well, his succession plan just got a lot more interesting. Stay tuned as we follow this developing story. It's clear that Zimbabwean politics are anything but predictable. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates. Thanks for watching.